This is for you, my boy. This is for you. We appreciate and celebrate you.
Have 60s. Kugug'othandayo.
I think the 1960s had more meaning than the 2000s.
For arts and culture, it's also in two folds. The fashion industry, it's part of our history. It is part of our culture. You can see the fashion that is displayed today. The people are looking back and say, let me go to my mom and ask for clothes. Let me go to my father and ask for clothes.
The only thing I can say is I wish I were born in the 60s.
No 2000s.
No, hell no.
Why not?
Piano, I can't.
What does this day mean to you?
Hey, basiteka cha bona baphilile beku-right ngicela sihlama kwami nje ngoba ngibona.
Wow, Mr. Chairman, can you zoom into the shirt? This is the 1960s shirt in real time.
Yes, in real time.
What inspires your wares here?
Yeah, mina vele ngiyibona abantu labadala. Ngicala le crocheting yami. My business name is Ulamgangela Creations. Mangicala kuyena bathi manje ke yini le skills abogogo. It but nyalo I'm okay ngisithathe le skills abogogo ngasifaka kuthi our living style.
Ngithola kuphi?
Kado phansi.
Wow, Kugug'othandayo. 1969 Norway shoes. Ngiyambona. Lisho langa lenikini namuhla.
Lelanga leli likhulu kakhulu yathi siyabonga ukuthi basibisele emuva. Kumnanzi kakhulu. Lokho ukuthi siphile kulesikhathi sabogogo bethu kumnanzi kakhulu.
Ngene kusengicela.
Oh, sidlinqanga.
Ungazokwa ayini ngosiphukile noma?
Ngokuthi ngiphukile ngibese ngiphuka ngaka ayini but ngiphuke e-town.
No, phela khumbula phela singa-1969 bese ayini bese ayini emalahle yabona. So lokho umhlobo beyitangqola uyabona.
Bese bekutoshisa kakhulu futhi. Kunelitshalo lana le vintage.
What's the channel for?
For empty bathi tekutaba ne picnic area so we just put it down isihlale phasi sidle yabo just like a picnic.
Are you a black boer or what inspired the dress code?
As you can see, it's a combination of many because we have different cultures, different ancient dress codes, so it's a combination.
I just feel young, it's down memory lane. Namuhla sithi Kugug'othandayo siyanibona lapha e-Arts Council nayo ise asibe pattern parcel of it. Isho kuthini event lethu emaswati emasikweni nakuyo phela i-art yethu kade usamuhla ukhonjiswa yona i-fashion back in the days in the real time.
I think fashion is now an industry. It's one of the fastest growing industries in the world. In fact, it's one of the ancient industries because there is a saying that a person can live without food for several days. A person can actually live without friends for several days, but no one can leave his house without clothes. So we are saying you can't be a serious fashion designer without taking a leaf from the previous years, which means those people were the fashion trenders for the day. They set the pace of what we call fashion design today.
Local music is already coming up. It's got an impact. So it's just a matter of the people around Langangwane who by embrace the local talent.
This is Put. I'm going to boyfriend. Oh, suitcase. Okay, for y'all watching, I used to carry this in school. That's how old I am. But I'm not a 1969, okay? But I carried this at school.
Asisho ukuthi le event yethu namuhla it is proudly Swazi. Sipromote talent laKangwane kuphela kude DJ wangaphandle kude artist yangaphandle. Sibonga nalokuthi le ndlela ba receive ngawo lama artist ethu alakhaya. Nokuthi nje naba phela ba DJ baka10 abasayithola platform but nyalo babuyile and people are accepting them. That dancing to the music. Sicela kubonga na Arts and Culture, CEO wa Arts and Culture ukhona Njelana. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Young people meet the adults, so which means two generations are pairing together for the first time. Siyabulile sibuyela emuva la siqhamuka khona. Labe kuchaza abatwali bethu namhla siyakwenda Dopa Phansi uyakhila imali lamuhla, and let's continue supporting Dopa Phansi. Let's continue having more events 100% local. I'm humble for the support. Thank you so much for pulling through.